The reason why I wanted to look into buying a home is for an investment and also to have like an independence of having my own place. It was a good time for that step in my life. So when the time came where I financially was ready to purchase, I reached out with Rudy Kusuma and his team and my real estate agent, and I felt like I was led in the right paths to finish this escrow, and overall satisfied, so thank you.
So my parents recently found out that this property was going to be sold by the owner, and then they reached out to us because they really want us to purchase a property that was like next to them, and we really wanted to move close to our parents as well. As first-time home buyers, like Rudy Sue and her team really made us feel very comfortable. They explained all the process, and they explained we didn't even have to ask questions because they guided us throughout the whole process, made us feel like very safe and reassured.
We purchased the home because we're going to be getting married in a few months.
And we wanted to have a home ready for us when everything was ready for us to move in.
Through our agent from Rudy Kusuma home buying team, we were able to purchase the home within 21 days.
First, we've been renting a house for a while, and we get tired of that, and we're thinking to get the house and the location what we want in the West Covina, and we get it from them. Yeah. I talked to Rudy because I see him on the magazine, and after that I tried to contact them. He's a very nice person, and also he helped me a lot because we are first home buyer.
Puse yo mi casa a vender casi todo un año con dos agentes, no tuve la suerte con ellos. Entonces vi un letrero de Rudy Kusuma, hablé con ellos y me mandaron a su team y ellos me ayudaron a realizar mi sueño. Yo estoy bien satisfecha con cómo me trataron y estoy muy contenta con todo el team y con toda la compañía.